Welcome to this video where we'll explore data mining techniques for analyzing and enriching diamond datasets. Today, we'll cover how to compute descriptive statistics, normalize and standardize features, handle missing or unusual values, derive new features, and use Python for data exploration. Let's dive in. This presentation begins with an outline of the key topics. First, we'll learn to compute descriptive statistics, which provide insights into dataset features like carat, cut, color, and clarity. Then, we'll look at structuring data through normalization and standardization to ensure consistent scales. Next, we'll cover cleaning techniques for missing or unusual values, followed by methods to derive new features that enrich datasets. Finally, we'll explore how Python's pandas library can be applied to manipulate and analyze data. These steps form the foundation for understanding and preparing datasets for analysis. Descriptive statistics are essential for understanding dataset features. For example, you can analyze diamond prices based on their carat, cut, color, and clarity. Pivot tables are particularly useful for comparing average prices across categories. For instance, you can explore whether colorless diamonds are priced higher than tinted ones or assess the impact of cut quality on price. This step provides a detailed snapshot of your data. Data structuring helps transform features to consistent scales. Normalization rescales features to a 0 to 1 range, while standardization adjusts features to have zero mean and unit variance. However, some features, like carat, may not require restructuring since their original values carry intrinsic meaning. Ensuring that features are properly scaled is critical for accurate analysis. Handling missing or unusual values is another vital step in data preparation. Missing values may occur for valid reasons or errors. Outliers, on the other hand, could indicate typos or represent meaningful extremes. Cleaning methods include removing or imputing missing values using the mean or median. Valid outliers, such as a diamond with an unusually large carat size, should be retained, as they may hold significant insights. Deriving new features is a powerful way to enrich datasets. For example, you can calculate a shape ratio as length divided by width to gain insights into the diamond's shape. Categorical features can also be enriched by grouping levels. For instance, you might combine diamond clarity levels into fewer categories for simplified analysis. These transformations allow you to extract more meaningful information from your data. Python's pandas library provides powerful tools for data manipulation and enrichment. In this example, we show examples of how to load datasets, compute descriptive statistics, identify missing values, and derive new features like shape ratio. These tools make it easier to explore and prepare datasets for analysis without manual intervention. To summarize, descriptive statistics offer key insights into dataset features. Normalization and standardization ensure data is on a consistent scale, while cleaning identifies and addresses missing or unusual values. Deriving new features enriches datasets, making them more insightful. Python's pandas library is an indispensable tool for performing these operations efficiently and effectively. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this video, please like, share, and subscribe for more content on data science and technology. See you next time.